Hello everyone, welcome you all in another interesting crafting video. In today's craft, I am going to create beautiful craft. So let's first make beautiful bunny with paper. Bunny loves carrots. So now I'm going to make carrot using paper and here it is done. Now let's create beautiful card. For this I have used these threads and I have pasted on a paper and I have made flowers like this, and now fold this thread like this and these beautiful flowers are ready. Now I'm going to make a beautiful painting which is a swimming pool. So here I have drawn swimming pool on a paper. Now let's see what we are going to create this time. I have used corn, I have used small stones and I have decorated it like this. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. You can take interesting craft ideas and you can utilize your free time and you can create beautiful crafts like this. Are you all ready to make a yummy ice cream? So for this I have used a paper and clay dough and I'm decorating this yummy ice cream in this way. Now let's see what we are going to make this time. I have drawn a shark on a paper like this. Now I'm going to color it and now I have cut it like this and this is done. Now let's see what we are going to create this time. So I have cut the paper and now these paper strips I'm pasting it and this animal card is ready. Now take these dry leaves, color them, and I have made birds with these leaves and pasted them on a paper. See how beautiful it is looking. Okay, now make a cone with this paper. You can use different color paper and I'm making octopus like this and I've decorated the paper like this. Now let's create small toys. I have drawn bunny on a paper. Now I am going to color it and I have cut it. Now use a bottle slit and this is done. Now let's see what we are going to create this time. For this I have used a paper and I have made a tray and I have colored it like this. So this barbecue is ready. Now let's see what we have this time. So this is a beautiful scenery and I have drawn a fan. Now take a paper, cut into strips and fold it and paste it like this. And this corn is and I have pasted on a paper and looking so beautiful.